What's up, love bugs? I am coming back to you with a voiceover. Okay, that was super fast. So, I guess no greetings for y'all. I'm eating Skittles, by the way. Don't judge me. Okay, so this right here, I'm going to be using my P. Louise base. I'm sorry that I showed it so fast, but it's P. Louise. And I'm using the number 3. So, it's just a base. I hear a lot of people talking about it. I want to give it a shot. So, I copped it. Alright, y'all, I'm going into my LaLa palette by ColourPop, and this is like a bunch of variations of different shades of pink. And right here I'm using my brush cleaner, y'all. I thought it was so dope. Like, I was so excited to have it. And apparently I opted out of showing you guys the shade. You guys know I suck at this. Like, bear with me, y'all. I don't know why I didn't show y'all. I'm sorry. But it was just the lightest shade of pink that was in the palette. And I'm just going to use that as my transition color. It's right by that color. It's the middle one. So now I'm going into the darker, a color that's darker than that first shade. I mean, I don't know what the crap to say, you know. I'm going into that next shade. And this is just another shade of pink. And like I said, I'm just going to be using different variations of pink. Well, one purplish color. But even it has an undertone of pink to me. Okay, so I'm applying that to my crease area. And then I'm going to be going into, and what I'm basically doing is starting from light and then going into dark, which is basically how I apply all of my shadows. Like, I always do very light and go to dark. I said I was going to actually try to do it differently, and I will eventually, y'all. But I mean, I feel like I still don't even have my blending technique on point yet using this method. So y'all just gonna have to bear with me, okay? I like that y'all still enjoy these videos, even though I'm no pro at it. And yeah, anyway, so this is the color that I was calling purple, and it looks dark. It actually looks darker in person than it does on camera, but it's really not. I guess no, it's like a fuchsia. Would that be fuchsia? Child, I don't know. Comment down below if you know what we should call that color. But it's the darkest one in the palette, and you guys know I love to apply a darker color on my outer crease. So yeah. And then I applied that P. Louise base to cut my crease. So that's that right here. And I'm just sweeping some of that off. And now I'm going to be going back into the next to last darkest shade. Like, I really need to find out what these names are, but I have no idea. And I'm just sweeping that to basically blend that color that I have on into that cut crease. And then I use my Nyx Liner. You guys know I'm a sucker for that Nyx Liner. And apply my eyeliner. And I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex. Once again, shout out to my baby cousin Ashley for getting this for me. And I'm looking for something. I don't know what that something is, but aha, I was looking for the palette. And then I decided to apply that Tickled color into my inner corner, and I was going to use it as an inner corner highlight, but honestly it didn't pop like I thought it would pop. Like, I really thought it would have this really vibrant color, and it really didn't. So I applied it, and I tried multiple times to apply it. I just kept putting it on, and it really didn't. And I think it's because I'm used to applying highlighter as my inner corner highlight. So yeah, I'm eventually going to apply some highlighter. Now, these are my favorite lashes. They are the Salon Perfect 613 lashes. Are they 613? 615. Salon Perfect 615. And now I'm applying my Poreblem primer. I love this primer. It did come in my BoxyCharm. And I'm going into my Nars Sheer Glow. And I can't remember what shade I have this in. If you guys are even interested in the shades and stuff that I use, I will try to make it a point to put it in the description box of the videos. Just let me know. I suck at that. Like, I never remember to do that. I'm a wig girl. Like, I'm used to doing wig, you know, I don't know. I'm used to doing wig videos. But yeah, if you really want to know, I will make it a point to start doing that. And this is my Infallible Loreal concealer. I don't know the shade of it. Honestly, I don't really never know shade names. I just kind of go with, oh, this looks good. This looks like it'll fit me. The only shade name that I know that I own is my Fenty Beauty is 370. That's it. So yeah, like I said, I'll make it a point to try to remember to start doing that, but I really do suck on it. Suck on it. Oh, child, no, that is not what I meant to say. I meant to say suck at it. Anyways, y'all, I am now blending that concealer in. I am running my mouth. I don't even know who I was talking to. And yeah, I blend that in, and then I'm gonna set it with my Huda Beauty in the color Blondie. And for my girls with dry skin, this is a really good setting powder for my dry skin chicks. Like, I love it. It doesn't super dry me out. Okay, now I'm going into my black opal. I think I read a comment that somebody was asking me what shade this is, and y'all, once again, of course, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look. I saw it, and I was at work, and I need to make it a point to go when I get home to look at it and see what shade it is. But I always forget, y'all. So then I blend that in, and now I'm sweeping off all of that powder, child. Powder, 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 powder. And then I'm gonna spray my face with my Mario Badescu. This one is the cucumber spray, and it smells so good, y'all. Cucumber melon, it smells so good. Okay, now I'm going into my NYX. You guys know I love bronzer. Like, don't judge me. I know I wear a ton of bronzer. I know this, man, but I love to look bronzy. So yeah, don't judge me. Once again, I'm going into some more bronzer, and this one is by Pure. And yeah, I use this palette a lot, and it also came in my BoxyCharm. And I used the highlighter in it. I used the blush, that orange blush in it. I love this. I'm not going to use it today, but I do love it. This is that vintage eyeliner that I told you guys before that I really, really like. I love this eyeliner, y'all. This eyeliner is so creamy. I love a creamy eyeliner for my waterline. Okay, so we're gonna go back. Oh no, I used my Loreal blush. Child, I know I showed y'all. Like, I don't know where that clip went. Like, what happened to it? But I used my Loreal baked blush, and I'm gonna be going into my Morphe setting powder. Setting powder, child. Setting spray. And this is that continuous spray. My little cousin said she hates it. She said a lot doesn't come out for her, but I love it. I love this spray because I don't like to drown. But yeah, I'm going into that highlighter from that palette that had that trio set, and I'm just applying that to everywhere that I apply highlighter, and included it in my inner corner because like I said, it wasn't popping enough for me. Okay, so now I'm going back into those two darker colors that I applied to my eyelid, and I'm applying that to my waterline. And I'm going into this Maybelline Lippy, and y'all, I don't know the color of it. I am so sorry about it. I don't. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to make it a point to really look into that. Anyway, okay, so the next clip you guys gonna see in a little bit, I'm just touching up my lipstick. The next clip is gonna be me doing my hair. Now, this is actually a clip from my video that I actually just posted. This hair is from Asteria Hair, so definitely check out that video. I will have a link to it down below because I'm not gonna go into any details about it since I just posted a video on it. So like I said, this is a clip from the video, and yeah, y'all, that basically completes this video. Just me styling. Don't forget to check out the outfit that's gonna be at the end. Y'all excuse my camera angles with that, but whatever. Anyways, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the outfit and the slow-mos. Bye.
I said let me stay a while. I said let me stay a while.
So I am dressed. Other than my shoes, I haven't decided on what shoes I'm gonna wear. I'm not really a shoe person, but this is the outfit. This jumper was, but I was gonna say sent to me, child. I bought this. I paid my own coins with this. This jumper is from Fashion Nova, and the sleeves are just not, like, they're not attached or whatever. This is something really cute, a cute little date night type of outfit. So yeah, it does have a zipper in the back, y'all, but my meat is hanging out back there, so we ain't gonna show that. We ain't gonna show that, okay? Sis been eating too many cakes, so we're not gonna show that. I'm already showing you guys my midsection, okay? You can't get it all. So yeah, that's that. Excuse my background. You guys know I just got through filming, so that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this 3-in-1, and I love you so much. Bye.